just do my work. Number of butterflies that landed on the flower. First hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour. Yellow 6, 4, 7, 6, 3, 4, 3. Rajay wanted to investigate the fact that the color of flowers have the same number of butterflies that land on it. He made the flowers of the same size using similar types of paper of different colors. In the middle of each flower, he attached a ball of cloth soaked in 10 milliliters of sugar solution. Cloth soaked in 10 milliliter of sugar solution. Nice. You see, first hour 6, 8, 7, 6, 3, 4, 3. But then Raji confused his experimental results. C. So dark blue is this one. Okay, since yellow has like the highest score in green, right? So I'm gonna guess that like they want me to find out like Rajay wanted to like conclude that yellow is like has the most number of like, you know, number of butterflies and then not the flower. Yeah. Oh wait, man. Hello? Oh, good. Good. Yellow color red. Red. Good. Double. No, check it. No. The most number of butterflies that landed flower. Hey, let's go. The greater number of butterflies. Well, at least I get a half butterfly. So you need to mention the whole information next time. Yeah, makes sense. Oh, look, so tough, man. Okay. Great. Okay. Continue. 5 questions. Proof oxygen blood C is lower than that at D. Draw arrowheads on path B, C, D. None ample. C is lower than that at D. Lower than D, right? Lower than D, that means it's pushing through. Wait, what? D, right? You're gonna guess C, push. So let me just draw. Okay, this, I'm gonna guess that there's an arrow here because, like, you know. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, makes sense. It's so hard, bro. Wait, you're going to go from C to A. I mean, the lungs will turn you at very good oxygen. These like this. The whole cycle continues. It's a nice drawing. Okay, good. Next. Wait, did I get it correct? Let me just check. B, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Okay, good. Got correct. So tough, man. Light up is over. Oh, back in my day. My day, when the loop touches the thingy, you'll get like electrocuted. Oh, this is so fun, man. Yeah, that's how the game works. CR. Actually, it's just ER. She knows explain, so you just gotta explain. Explain how the game works. So I'm gonna explain the whole process. If the loop touches the rainbow, you think you're gonna freeze this. Okay, so I'm gonna imagine that there's a battery here. There's like the light sensor, and, like the trees and all. It's like, yeah. So this is like connected to all the trees, and then this is connected to the battery. Battery which is connected to the light sensor. Wait, what? This makes sense. Thing. Okay, so I'm gonna envision like a circuit here. Now let me just draw. Okay, so this is my envisioning, right? So I'm just gonna imagine that there's like a very fun circuit right here. You know, and it's all cool. It's all cool, right? You know, cool. Anyways, it's like the circuit. Once this lights up, it connects it to like a battery, something. Yeah, a battery. So there's like light sensors here, light sensors, you know, light sensor, which always terrible. Okay, this is like somewhat connected to the circuit. So I'm gonna say it right here. So it drops down, and then everything will be all connected. The first two light sensors will get the light sensor from here, and the other one will get the light from here. And that's what I'm thinking. So yeah, let's write it down. When the loop touches the rainbow, it creates a circuit, a closed circuit. Current flows from the loop to the trees. Oh my god, terrible spelling. Look, one message. What? Huh? Oh! Okay, what this is. Okay, nice. Let's go. Wait, what's this? Oh. Yeah. This current that flows from the loop of the tree. Loop the trees to light sensor in the trees. Bring the light sensor in the light sensor. Don't call it light sensor. The light bulb. Light bulb. Yes. No. The light bulb in the trees light up. Okay, perfect. This should get me the mark. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Without the loop touching the rainbow. The rainbow closed circuits form the electric. Well, technically it did get 1 mark. So you're like first supposed to like explain the generosity of the game. So you gotta explain like you know, the loop going through the mountain, which is this. And you have to like say that they're both good conductors of electricity, because there'll be no use yapping about this if like both are like rubber or something and it just doesn't work, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm cooked for science, man. I'm not winning this. Okay. State an agent of pollination. Okay. Okay. A. Now to do this, you need to look at the stuff in thingy stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about, man. Then you gotta look at the characteristics of the flowers. This is long stigma. Long stigma is used to like catch the what's that? Is that long enter a long stick? Ah, that's long enter and stigma. It's like they're trying to like use the wind to their advantage. Yeah, wind. Put wind. Okay. I'm so smart, man. So smart. Ah. God. Okay, B. Its petals are very big. And if there's big petals, then they're gonna like attract insects. Insects? No, animals. Wait, animals, not insects. Anyways, it's just animal. Just pollination. Ah, pollinators. Is that right? Pollinators. Yeah, pollinators. Okay. Good, good, good. 0 marks, then. But, see, it literally mentioned animals and insects. Yeah, you know what? I don't care. It's S. Electricity bills for family. What can mana do? Different cut down. Use a fan instead of an air conditioner. Full stop. Yes. So smart. So funny, haha. My god, guys, that was so funny, right? I know no one's laughing with me. State the function of the part question A. Ovary. To produce female reproductive cells. Okay, please be I need this. Let's go! That was a very easy question. Why did I say let's go, man? Yes. Extremely similar substances to transport. What? I don't know, man. It's like one of those like very hard questions, you know. Contain the parts of human cell in view. Right. They contain tubes which carry out the function of transportation in the organisms. Molecules similar to the substances they transport. Huh. They both help to transport good substances, helpful substances, useful substances. Useful substances. Okay, good. Food and water. Yeah, I'm failing my science, man. There's no way I'm actually gonna pass this, bro. How about eggs develop into after fertilization has occurred? It's so hard. First of all, like, I mean, they're not pointing to insects, right? She's like referring to ovary outside fruit. So it's ovary that it will develop into a fruit. Fruit. Please be, I need this. My mom kind of homeless. Woo! Okay. Last question. How does oxygen from the environment reaches her legs? Okay. I got this. Ah. Oh. Jesslyn breathes in oxygen. Kinda obvious. Whose name is even Jesslyn, man? So, the oxygen goes down the lung, goes down the windpipe into the lungs. Okay. You know, I just get really OCD when I see red squiggly line. What else do I write? The air sacs in the lungs the oxygen in the air sacs in the lungs gets absorbed to the bloodstream gets by the heart to the legs. It's been a long journey, man. I wrote so long, bro. Wait, let's go. Come on. Oh my god, this is even longer. Oxygen in the air. My feels long. Exchange, oh man. Holy supplement the oxygen for carbon dioxide. I think I like mentioned. Maybe some benzene. Yup. But I'm gonna get some healed into the lungs. Yeah. Blood is then pumped by the heart and transported to all parts of the body fluid. Well, you should get like at least 1 mark here, right? Yeah, at least 1 mark. At least. Woo! So man. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this recording. Bye. I hope I get like 13 views, cause my videos have no views, bro. Okay, bye guys.